Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a stunning resin bookmark using some leftover resin because we don't want to waste around here. So let's get started. So yes, first thing, always wear gloves when working with resin. Here I am using leftover resin from my previous project. So basically it's a great way to use up materials instead of letting them go waste. So I will be start by pouring a layer of clear resin into the mold. Now that we have a base layer, so I am going to mix small amount of resin with the floating powder to give it a unique shimmering effect. Here you can see that once you mix all the materials together, here you just need to put them pouring them into your mold. Now next I am adding another color of resin, which is basically black resin. For bold contrast, watch how beautifully the colors blend. Here I am using the toothpick for some decorations, you can say, and just remember using torch gun for burst the bubbles. Now everything is in place. I am leaving it to cure overnight. Resin takes time to harden. Next day we are going to demold it, so let's demold it together. So look at that, so shiny and elegant. The resin bookmark is perfect for gifting or adding personal touch to our reading time basically.